For the first time, the smokable version of medical marijuana is available for patients. The new law expanding the types of medical pot available in Louisiana is now in full effect. Lester Duhé is here to explain how this helps patients. Lester.
Yeah, the folks over at the Capital Wellness Solutions on Picardy saw close to 500 people in their first day being able to sell the flower-based smokable medical marijuana. And for a lot of their customers, it's been a day they've been waiting for.
The parking lot was full of customers all day long at Capital Wellness Solutions in Baton Rouge. It's one of the 9 dispensaries across the state now able to sell raw smokable medical marijuana.
So many patients have asked for this day, and I'm just so thankful that we could provide this medication to them.
The wait was long as expected because of the high demand.
It was a really long process. Basically, we just waited in line outside, checked in, got what we needed, and then we waited in another waiting room, and yeah, that was it.
Yeah, the process was easy. It just, have a lot of people who have the medical card who are trying to get flowers.
Inside the facility, it's just like a pharmacy, filled with technicians and pharmacists. They dispense the preferred version of the drug, including the newly available flower form, for approved patients with certain medical conditions like cancer, seizure disorders, or PTSD. But how does this process work if you qualify?
The patient walks in, they choose if they want to sit with a pharmacist or not. If they would like to visit with a pharmacist, they go into a counseling room. We go through everything with them, from the standard use to maybe their diagnosis and how they could benefit from medical marijuana. And then we get them out pretty quick after that. Once the pharmacist visits with them, we pass it to the back in the pharmacy and they process the labels, and we like to get the patients on their way.
The marijuana is grown at LSU in Southern and is regulated by the state. Prices vary between different strains and size amounts that you order.
Chronic pain, I have an immune deficiency that I use them for infusion sickness once weekly. I also have migraines, I have muscle spasms.
Angela Broussard says she became medically dependent on opioids for 13 years to treat her conditions until she started using medical marijuana back in 2019.
While everybody else just gets up and goes to work, we have these things we have to deal with every day, multiple times of a day. So the medical marijuana really helps, just keep it under control where you can have a little bit of a life again, somewhat.
Now, if you have been previously diagnosed with a qualifying condition or you suffer from one, you're most likely eligible for a Louisiana medical marijuana card. But once again, you just have to get a doctor to review your conditions and recommend marijuana as part of your treatment plan. Liz?
All right, Lester, thank you.